do you want to run a wholesale business within your retail store? This is the theme that you want for your store, in which you can run retail as well as wholesale without any app or any extra Shopify plan upgrade or any monthly charges. So this is the website theme that you need to purchase and install it on your Shopify store, replacing with your current Dawn theme. So let me show you the working. So as you can see, these are the test details. After sign-in, the main menu is replaced with the wholesale and it is showing welcome to wholesale store. This is the wholesale quick order form that is also included with this theme. So if I click on add to cart, it is showing minimum order. And if I log out, the main menu is replaced with the retail one. This is the theme that you need to replace with your current Dawn theme. And this is the version 12, so you don't need to worry about the update. You just need to install this theme by purchasing, and you can click on this link or this link. I shared the link in the description as well in comment section, so you can use that and click on and purchase it and replace with your current Dawn, and it will work like a charm. Thank you.